Hey guys, welcome back to Liv's Kitchen. I'm here again with my son Augustino. Say hi.
Yeah.
And today we're going to be making, oh, you burped. Today we're going to be making chocolate chip waffles. So let's jump right on into the video. So first thing we're going to do is put in 1 egg. You want to help mommy? Help me put it in. Good job. Go ahead and add 1/2 cup of sugar. Thank you. 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. And 1 cup of milk to start. And then we're gonna beat the egg. Stir it, babes. Oh, there we go. Maybe we should try with the wooden spoon. It won't beat it as well, but it won't fall in also. Okay, mommy's got to finish. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start off with 1 cup of flour. Thank you. Now can you mix? Mix good. You gotta mix it all together like this. Really, you should use a whisk, but again, my whisk is broken and I do not trust him with a whisk. It will be everywhere. A teaspoon of baking powder and about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then stir. Stir good. Get it all in there. Yeah, mix, mix, mix. Good job. Okay, you do. We'll do it together. Okay. Now, we're gonna add just a dash of vanilla. You can help mommy with this, okay? We're gonna, oh, just a dash. That was a little more than a dash, but stir it up. A little bit more. And then, now this is just, you don't have to do this, but I like this as an extra secret ingredient. I'm gonna use a dash of pumpkin pie spice coffee creamer. Call me crazy, but just a bit, maybe a little more. We might have to add a little bit more flour to this because of it. Okay, mix. Good job. It smells so good. You can also add cinnamon to this. Oh, it smells good? Are you smelling it? We're gonna add a dash of ground cinnamon. And then we're gonna, yep, mix. Good job. So next we're just gonna put in some mini chocolate chips. And what are we gonna do, Augie? We're gonna mix. Good job. Now you're gonna go ahead and get your waffle maker preheated, and I like to spray it a little bit before, just so the oil gets nice and hot. Yeah, you're mixing. Good job. I also went ahead and added a little bit more flour because I did add the pumpkin pie creamer. I just want it to be thick. So just go ahead and add a little bit more until it gets to about a thicker cake batter consistency. Mixa, mixa, mixa. Okay, you can watch, but you cannot do this part, okay, honey? Okay. So now we're just gonna go ahead and add this to the waffle maker. So while the waffles are cooking, we're gonna go ahead and, oh, there goes the waffles. We're gonna go ahead and make what I like to call a cannoli topping. So start off with a little bit of ricotta cheese. Now this isn't really big on measurements. I'm doing about 3 heaping teaspoonfuls. You're gonna head and add a little bit of powdered sugar. Again, there's not really measurements here. It's just until it's how you like. And I'm gonna add some of that pumpkin spice coffee creamer. Pumpkin pie spice. And we're gonna mix. Mix, mix, mix. And I'm gonna add a little bit more cinnamon to this. Mix it up. Now this is obviously gonna be thinner than a cannoli filling, but we're gonna drizzle this over the top. Mix. We're not eating it, we're mixing it. No. It must be good if he's trying to eat it. You can eat that on your arm. So once they look like this one, they're ready. A few of these need, like this one needs a little bit longer, I feel. Okay. Had to get Augie out of the way for this part because it is too hot and I don't want him to hurt himself. But you're just gonna go ahead and drizzle some of that ricotta on there. And don't be shy about it either. We'll do some extra chocolate chips. A dollop of some whipped cream and some cinnamon. Ooh. And there you have, well, this is the upgrade version. This is my chocolate chip waffles with cannoli cream, I guess you can call it. Okay, now we're gonna try it. Wait, I'm gonna give you the piece first. Okay. How is it? Good? Mama's gonna try a piece, okay? Tastes just like a cannoli, huh? Yeah. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Say bye.